Thank you for watching. All links in description are Amazon Associates links to all parts used in video and materials including the 3D printer. If you can use the links, you will be helping the channel to progress even more, and we will be able to make more exciting and fun videos. I started designing the chest plate first to give me an idea on what I wanted them to look like. I had a rough idea but mostly freehand, and I think it turned out looking not too bad. The hexagon pegs are to cut out that shape in the program 3D Builder. When building, it's a must to use calipers to get all cutouts and sizes exact. I made this part a while back to use on a tripod of mine, so don't have the video of me making this bit, sorry. Now time to make the back plate. I wanted to keep the look the same as the front, so what better than using the front with alterations. Added a cutout section on the back of this so the strap is flush and no irritation on back. And now last bit, the strap adjusters. I placed 3 on the model because it was intended to use 2 on shoulders and 1 on side to get easy in and out of harness, but the Amazon link I'll be adding also had the ratchet part to go on side strap. 3D printing time. And more 3D printing time. You guessed it. Adding a base coat first to get rid of a few print lines, then added metallic paint but dabbed it on to give texture. Same with the lacquer coat. Found it better to sew the straps manually because of the size, and also don't have the sewing machine. This is the ratchet part to go on side strap. This is not a GoPro, but will fit on this no problem, just like the other cameras like this with the right attachments. Also made a frame to hold my Galaxy Note 9. Let's go on a test ride to see what it's like. Perfect.